Kids songs and learning TV.
A new day, a new choice. Have you ever wondered what makes a school day fun and easy? Let's see what happens when a student makes good choices, and what happens when they don't. The sun rises, and Anna wakes up with a big stretch and a smile. She folds her blanket neatly and places her pillow in its spot, starting her day calm and ready. When we make our bed and tidy up, we start the day feeling organized and peaceful. A calm morning helps our brain feel calm too. Next door, Max rolls under his blanket, moving slowly and not ready to get up. His room is messy and toys are scattered across the floor. When our space is messy, it can make our mind feel messy. Cleaning up helps us think more clearly. 1. Getting ready. Anna brushes her teeth carefully, rinses and wipes her face, doing everything properly. Brushing carefully keeps our teeth strong and healthy. Taking our time helps us do things the right way. Max squeezes too much toothpaste, brushes quickly, and leaves foam around the sink. Rushing can make small jobs turn into big messes. Slow and steady helps us do our best. 2. Choosing clothes. Anna chooses her clothes and dresses neatly, checking everything fits comfortably. When we dress carefully, we feel comfortable and confident all day long. Max pulls on his clothes in a hurry, his shirt twisted and shoes on the wrong feet. When we rush, we often have to fix mistakes later. Taking 1 extra minute can save time. 3. Packing for school. At the kitchen table, Anna packs her backpack with her snack, water bottle, and homework folder, zipping it up carefully. Being prepared helps us feel ready to learn. When we remember what we need, our day goes smoothly. Max fills his bag with toys but forgets his homework. Fun things are great, but responsibilities come first. Doing our work helps us grow smarter every day. 4. Arriving at school. Anna walks inside steadily and hangs her backpack neatly. Walking calmly keeps everyone safe and shows respect for our school. Max rushes in, dropping his backpack and hurrying to the carpet, slightly out of breath. When we rush, we feel tired and unfocused. Calm bodies help our brains learn better. 5. Circle time. Anna sits quietly, paying attention to the teacher. Listening carefully helps us understand what to do. Good listening is a superpower. Max fidgets and looks around, missing some instructions. If we don't listen, we might feel confused later. Listening first makes activities easier. 6. Activity time. Anna follows directions step by step and finishes her task. Following steps in order helps our brain solve problems and learn new skills. Max hesitates, unsure where to start. When we pay attention, we feel confident. Confidence comes from trying and listening. 7. Playtime. Anna shares blocks and takes turns politely. Sharing helps us make friends. When everyone gets a turn, everyone feels happy. Max grabs several blocks at first but notices his friends waiting. When we think about others' feelings, we become kind and caring friends. 8. Cleanup time. When the cleanup song plays, Anna starts putting toys away right away. Helping clean up shows responsibility. A clean room makes it easy to find things tomorrow. Max watches for a moment, then slowly begins helping. It's never too late to make a better choice. We can always start helping. 9. Snack and story time. Anna eats neatly and calmly. Eating carefully keeps our space clean and shows good manners. Max drops crumbs but begins cleaning up after himself. Making a mistake is okay. Fixing it is what matters most. During story time, Anna listens and imagines the story. Listening helps our imagination grow strong and bright. Max slowly refocuses on the teacher. Even if our mind wanders, we can bring it back. That's called self-control. 10. Playground. Anna waits patiently for her turn on the slide. Waiting teaches patience. Patience makes games fair and fun for everyone. Max tries to skip ahead but remembers to wait. Choosing patience helps us become better friends. A big realization. As the day continues, Max notices something important. When he listens and follows instructions, the day feels smoother and happier. Good choices help our brain learn. Kind choices help our hearts feel proud. He helps a friend, shares politely, and participates calmly. The classroom feels peaceful. When we work together, everyone wins. At the end of the day, Max stands a little taller, feeling proud. Every day is a new chance to try again. We don't have to be perfect. We just have to keep learning.